Today we're busting out the cookie sheets to make a delicious, traditional, spicy cookie that everyone is going to love. When you're making a cookie, you really want to make one that you can't buy easily in the store. One that's going to be delicious, that people are going to say, I love that, I want more. Today's cookie, Molasses cookie, is one of those cookies. You're also going to love that these cookies use ingredients that are probably in your pantry right now, and that it's really quick to make these cookies. So we're going to start with our mixer, and I have 3/4 of a cup of shortening in the mixer. That's Crisco shortening. And I'm adding 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1 egg, a large egg, and 1/4 cup of molasses. You know, I always kind of laugh when I use molasses in a recipe, because my Nana used to always say things like, "No, you need to hurry up, Donna. You're as slow as cold molasses in January." So here we are, pouring in our slow molasses into the mixer. So we're going to mix those ingredients together. And while that's beginning to mix, I'm going to combine my 2 1/4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You want to scrape down the sides of your bowl to make sure that all the ingredients are going to be incorporated nicely. And then adding all at once the flour mixture. Now we're just going to mix this all together until it comes together, about a minute or two. You'll have a nice thick cookie batter when everything is all nicely combined. These cookies are going to have a crinkled top. The way that we achieve that is by rolling the dough into a ball and then dipping the top of the cookie into granulated sugar. Place all of your cookies, sugar side up, on your cookie sheet about 3 inches apart, and they're ready to go into the oven. Bake at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. These are larger cookies. You can make smaller cookies, and those will take between 8 and 10 minutes in the oven, but I like to have a nice substantial cookie. Thanks for hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel.